If you're a frequent RV traveler, you know that water sources at campsites and rest stops in the United States can vary. Unpredictable water pressure can cause serious damage to your RV's plumbing and fixtures. To choose from, there are a variety of water pressure regulator valve, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best water pressure regulator valve from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Regulator M11-0660R Water Pressure Regulator Valve. The Regulator M11-0660R Water Pressure Regulator Valve is our top pick for a number of reasons, including affordability and all of the benefits and features that we've outlined as must-haves. This adjustable water regulator comes with a gauge that can measure up to 160 psi. It's lead-free and contains oil to help minimize friction on the internal components, with an internal filter to help prevent rocks and debris from clogging your water lines. This RV water pressure regulator also comes with a 1-year guarantee. It's hassle-free and works seamlessly with both older and newer RV models. But most importantly, it's easy to install and easy to adjust the pressure. While this RV water pressure regulator is one of the most popular, there have been cases where it stops working after a few months of use. A common concern is the gauge fails to accurately read the incoming pressure, which can lead to damage in your RV if you leave the hose unattended. Number 2. Camco Brass Water Pressure Regulator with Gauge. You don't always have to pay a lot of money to find a quality product that can protect your RV's plumbing system, and the Camco Brass Water Pressure Regulator with Gauge is impressively affordable. While it doesn't display the precise psi from the intake and isn't adjustable, you do have a simple gauge that indicates safe, risky, and dangerous psi levels, based on whether the needle is in the green, yellow, or red zones respectively. The RV regulator has a factory preset of 40 to 50 psi, which is more than safe for older and newer RV models. The color-coded pressure gauge is a better bet for people who don't know which psi range is safest for their RV, or don't want to bother with a traditional gauge and numerical readings. The simple design also makes this a goof-proof option. However, a common issue with this RV water pressure regulator is the psi can be inconsistent. Since it's not adjustable, you have no control over the output, which in some cases can be as low as 20 psi. Number 3. Cori RV Water Pressure Regulator Valve. The Cori RV Water Pressure Regulator Valve is a completely lead-free RV water pressure regulator developed entirely out of brass. The device is rated and treated by hot casting it, which allows it to run more efficiently and save you money, all while increasing its output ability. It's built to attach to all water hose threads for versatility as well, and it's easy to install and is also rather accurate. One of the best benefits, it contains oil to prevent friction, so all the internal parts function properly, and it's adjustable up to 160 psi too. Best of all, it's explosion-proof, designed to withstand shock better, and has a dual-layer inlet screen filter that prevents blockages. There have been complaints of the water regulator leaking, but this isn't a consistent problem. The reported leaks may be to other faults like insufficient tightening and issues with the attached water spigot. Another issue is with the shipping and packaging. It may arrive damaged with a cracked screen and leaks. Number 4. Volterra RV High Flow Water Regulator. The Volterra RV High Flow Water Regulator is exactly what you need if you want to regulate high-pressure flows for a newer model RV, as this device is designed to regulate the water pressure inside the RV to 50 to 55 psi to better protect the tank and your ride. It's easy to install too and connects directly to any standard faucet or hose fitting, and the water regulator is available in 2 metals, brass and stainless steel. The brass option is rust-resistant, sturdy, and durable even after years of operation and stress. This certainly makes for a heck of a difference when it comes to shower water pressure too. There have been issues with the device leaking when first connected, and you may have to add a rubber washer ring to the regulator to prevent it from leaking. Another big letdown is the regulator does not come with a psi gauge, so you can't see how much pressure is being used. It also may be difficult to remove from the attachment after you are done using it. Number 5. Leisure Coachworks RV Water Pressure Regulator. If you're looking for an RV water pressure regulator that can survive different climates without causing worry, the Leisure Coachworks RV Water Pressure Regulator is a great choice. Able to operate without issue in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 200 degrees, it'll survive almost anything. Plus, it's made out of durable brass with less than 0.13% lead to meet NSF lead-free requirements. Equipped with an easy-to-read gauge, this regulator will automatically set your flow at 45 psi on its factory setting. However, all you have to do is twist the adjustable screw, and you can control the pressure up to 160 psi. You will, however, want to keep an eye out for potential leaks with this RV water pressure regulator. If you don't use a washer with this regulator, it can leak. Faulty washers can also cause potential problems. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.